Retired police found dead in St. Elizabeth Market. Hi again and welcome. This is Links 007 TV News Report, and we'll be right back with the full details to come.
Welcome to Links 007 TV News Report, providing you with the best in local and international news updates. This is a place where you can get the most reliable and informative news information. Links 007 TV News Report.
Welcome back and thanks for joining us. This is Links 007 TV News Report. A retired police detective was found dead inside the Santa Cruz Market in St. Elizabeth on Sunday morning. He has been identified as 72-year-old Eric Dawes, a former detective sergeant who resides in Coke Drive in Santa Cruz. It is reported that at around 7:15 a.m., the retired cop was found unresponsive and slumped over a stool near a shop inside the market. His body was removed. The police say that the incident is being treated as a sudden death, unexplained death, and no foul play is suspected in the case. The Santa Cruz police are investigating. This has been Links 007 TV News Report. Thanks for watching.